Hi guys, this is Sunil Gupta and you are learning Certified Ethical Hacking course. Here I am showing you some other websites to gain information about your target. I'm typing yougetsignal.com. Yougetsignal.com is very popular and very useful websites. Let's open it. Here you can see there are so many techniques and tools available here at usergetsignal.com. That if I want to find what is my IP address, then it is showing here my public IP address. Suppose if I want to find some other links like phone number geolocator, like who is calling you, it is similar to some other tools which are available in the market like visual trace route. It will show you the trace route like number of hops or the path by which your computer is connecting to that web server. Here I'm showing you it is the best part of the website, which is reverse IP domain check. If I ask you a question that you have a website, suppose, and you have taken the domain from godaddy.com or bigrock.com, etc., from website, and you have hosted it. Okay, so can you check that how many websites are on the same server? Like your website is xyz.com, which is on a server, and because you have not a dedicated server, so maybe some other websites are also hosting on that same server. But how can you check that your website, that how many websites are on your server? That's why, like suppose I'm creating www.xyz.com. Check. There are three domains. As you can see, xyz.com website contains its dedicated servers. Means they have their own server, and on that server there is only three websites, so they have dedicated server. This is called dedicated server, in which they have only their websites. But there are some other websites, like if I want to check some other websites, rtu.ac.in. Yeah, you can see here that it is a college website, rtu.ac.in, and we have found 11 domains on that server. Like 11 other websites are also hosted on that server, in which www.rtu.ac.in also hosting. So it is called shared server, that other websites are also using your server. Okay, suppose if there is a popular website, Amazon, I want to check that this website, they have their dedicated server or they are using the shared server. Yes, as you can see, all four domains in amazon.in are of amazon.in. Like they have four domains: Amazon, amazon.co.in, amazon.in, amazon.in. So they have their dedicated server. Means you can check the integrity, or you can check the power of any website, that how good they are financially. Like Amazon is a big website, so they have taken a dedicated server. rtu.ac.in or some other websites are college websites. They cannot afford a dedicated server. They have afford only a shared server, which is not expensive. Dedicated servers are expensive. So we can check reverse IP domain check here to find the capacity or capability of a company, that how good they are. I hope you understand my point. This is yougetsignal.com. Just learn it, how you can use it. It is a very powerful and useful website. Hope you learn. Thank you.